5 seconds to go. Start. In furtherance of the 2010 policy, Khalsa Society Appeal number 2 applied to the state government for establishing Khalsa University. The state government wide communication dated 5th March 2011 issued letter of intent to the Khalsa Society on various conditions mentioned therein. Subsequently, the 2016 Act came to be enacted on 7th November 2016. It will be relevant to refer to the SOR of the 2016 Act, which read thus: as the Punjab Private Universities Policy 2010 has been formulated to provide greater access and to ensure quality in higher education, the Government of Punjab wishes to allow the establishment of self-financed private universities to supplement the efforts of the state universities. The object of the Khalsa University is to impart comprehensive education at all levels to achieve excellence and to promote research and teaching in areas of education, engineering and technology, languages, laws, sciences and other courses under the general heads of the arts and humanities, social sciences, etc. As the establishment of such private self-financed universities requires a broadly uniform set of guidelines for ensuring academic standards, prevention of commercialization and mismanagement, etc., it deemed therefore expedient to provide for promulgation of the Khalsa University Bill 2016. Subsequent to the enactment of the 2016 Act, Khalsa University Appellant number 1 received a communication dated 15th February 2017 from the UGC informing it that in view of its establishment, its name has been included in the list maintained by the UGC. It was also informed to it that it was required to follow the UGC establishment of and maintenance of standards in private universities regulations 2003. It appears that thereafter there was a change of regime in the government of Punjab. It further appears that from April 2017 onwards, Khalsa University started receiving communications that it should not admit any more students till the statutes of the university were approved by the state government. Thereafter, on 30th May 2017, the state government promulgated an ordinance thereby repealing the 2016 Act. The impugned Act came to be passed by Punjab Vidhan Sabha, which received the assent of the Honorable Governor on 4th July 2017 and published in the Punjab Government Gazette Extraordinary on 17th July 2017. The SOR of the impugned Act read thus: the Khalsa University Repeal Ordinance 2017 aims to repeal the Khalsa University Act 2016 with a view to protect heritage character of Khalsa College Amritsar. The Khalsa College Amritsar has over a period of time become a significant icon of Khalsa heritage, and the university established in 2016 is likely to shadow and damage its character and pristine glory. Therefore, the Act IBID is proposed to be repealed. The impugned Act, which consists of 3 sections, reads thus: be it enacted by the legislature of the state of Punjab in the 68th year of the Republic of India as follows. Stop.